Hello there and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you a tutorial of how I created this eye look right here. So I'm making this video because I recently reviewed all three of the KALEIDOS Futurism eyeshadow palettes, and when I did my review of the Astro Pink one, quite a few people were asking if I could create a look using the beautiful Icy Pink shimmer. So I thought yes, of course, like that would be my pleasure. So yeah, as always, I hope that you enjoy the video. The boys were in and out throughout the whole thing, so I'm really sorry if I'm really sorry if the camera was shaking at all, but I just really wanted to like give me any excuse to try makeup, and I will be trying it. So if you haven't seen my other videos where I review these three beautiful palettes, I would really recommend that you watch them. The formula is absolutely outstanding, some of the best I've ever tried, and the shimmers are just on a whole different planet of sensational. So if you do want to buy the Astro Pink palette, it costs $24 and you can get it from KALEIDOSmakeup.com. With all of that being said, I'm going to pass you over to Anwen in the studio and you can see how I created this look. I'm sorry that I forgot to film me applying my foundation, but I used the Double Wear by Estee Lauder. So anyway guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye! A bit. Oh, well, come and tell my neighbour if you like. Come on, it's okay.
Like bees.
Oh, it's okay. He's that naughty bee. He should not be chasing, should he? Why do you like?
Bees. Glitter.
Oh, no, not the glitter, Alex.
Found it.
Not today.
Smell it.
Oh, it smells delicious. I love it.
Hello.
Guys, you can't be stealing all the glitter from the unicorn, guys. He's not going to have any glitter left. He'll lose all of his magic. So I just put on a different lip. I went with, oh my gosh, how much do I want to actually shake the camera? Sorry about that, guys. But yes, I went for a metallic, which is kind of like a rose gold. I know that it kind of does clash with the eye look because the eye look is very cool toned, whereas the lip has warmth to it. So I couldn't say warmth then. Did you notice that? I mean, really, guys. But I just wanted to show you anyway because I thought, why not? Like, why not? So anyway, guys, yeah, thank you so much for watching the video today. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. And I say hopefully because I always think they're never coming back, like literally, guys. But anyway, see you later. Bye.